always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart.
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're returning. My name is Tyra and welcome to Marine Home Expressions. In today's video vlog style, something new, we're going to be cleaning my home office. That is the desk area. And of course you guys already saw this area that I completed in the refresh the shelves with me, and we placed the chair over there, so that's still over here. It's just mainly this desk area that's a hot mess, and I want to do something in this closet. There's not much in here but just papers and boxes, receipts, and then also a car seat. And I'm thinking about putting my other grandchild's car seat in here because I don't have anything else that is really going to be going in there besides me organizing paperwork and stuff like that. I don't have any shelves or anything like that. That's the goal going forward, but I still got to get some kind of organization going on because this ain't it. So with that being said, if you're interested in watching me get this home office together, please stick around to the end of the video. So we can also talk about, before we even do all of that, we can talk about some of the things that I want to accomplish in this room, like blinds and curtains. I don't have blinds or curtains in here now because I wasn't sure if I wanted blinds or if I just wanted curtains or if I wanted both. I'm thinking I want both just because, I don't know, it just would feel better for me. So that's something eventually that I want to get into this room, as well as flooring. Not new flooring, but I want to get these sanded and refinished. These are the original hardwood floors to this house, but I want to get them sanded and refinished. And I'm thinking the same as the living room floors. You guys saw that in the table refresh, simple table refresh videos from last week or so. And so that's something that I want to get done in here. And also the registers for the register vents, I want to take those out and replace them with newer ones. Also this door, how can you guys see? This door can close. It needs a new knob on there. We took it off and just never put it back up, honestly. So I'm not sure if I want to keep this door here or close it off, but I'm thinking I want to keep it because I kind of like having it open. That way, if my husband or my daughter, whoever is downstairs in the basement where we're kind of watching TV and movies sometimes, if I'm still up here working, you know, we just yell back and forth to each other. We're kind of loud, so that's just kind of how it goes. And I like that the light that back door brings in, so I'm thinking I want to keep it. So that's pretty much all. I would like to eventually get a new, go this way, get a new mirror. Hi guys. Get a new mirror for this room. This mirror came from my husband's grandmother's beauty salon, and so when they closed the shop down when she was too old to continue doing hair in the shop, they just got rid of a lot of things, and I took a couple of those mirrors. I have another one in the living room as well. So eventually I'd like to get something to replace that. And also this ceiling fan has to go. It just has to go. I've been looking on Amazon at some that I'd like to replace it with, but I just haven't been able to do that yet. And so I just wanted to share some thoughts with you guys to see if you could give me some ideas, because hey, I don't know everything that I want to do in this room per se. I know I want to do some of the upgrades to give it a more luxe feel, but I'd like to have some of you guys' ideas to bounce off of, to kind of get outside of my comfort zone on a little things. I do know I want this room to stay bright and airy. I don't want it to feel small and closed in. The paint color on the walls is frosty white, just like the rest of the house, pretty much, except for the bathrooms. They're like a soft blue, and I don't remember the name of that color because I'm probably going to be changing that as well because I really don't like that color anymore. So, what else? Oh, I'm thinking about also eventually getting a new rug. This rug, I still like it, but it's just gotten older, and trying to keep it looking fresh, it has become more of a task than anything. And so that's something that I want to look forward to too. Also, I want to put this up, and I'm thinking I want to put it up over this family picture. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm wanting to put it up here, and I think it'll look good. Can you guys see that? Let me turn it. Yeah, like that. Oh yeah, I like it. I think I want to do it. But I want to get some of those command strip things, because that's what I put this picture up of my name that my sissy bought me. So, and I like how flat to the wall it is, and like once you're done with it, you just pull the tabs down from behind it, and it doesn't leave any marks or anything on your wall. So I'm really excited about that. But in the meantime, in between time, that light, extra lighting. In the meantime, in between time, I got to get this room clean. So I'm hoping you guys will stay with me. I got some music playing, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm not sure if I'll speed it up or not. I might leave it in real time, not sure. So yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of the video.
You did that. Yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times, and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette. No, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a love bomb. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a love bomb. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial play, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, baby. Lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because it's Tuesday. Tell me where we went wrong. Started as fantasy, ended as enemies. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Let's be honest, it was just a
More on that later.
You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? If you miss me, just say that, baby. Love bomb. I don't deserve what you put me through, so you don't deserve one more chance. It's true. I still miss you.
Okay, we are about finished. I forgot to clean the mirror. Definitely. I always forget. Oh, y'all, I'm hot. But we are done. So I'm going to do a quick pan of the room so that you can guys see the finished product. And like I said, leave your thoughts down in the comments about the window treatments, or anything else that you think you may have some great ideas about. And yeah, I'll look forward to your comments down below about your ideas about the window treatments and the ceiling fan if you want a replacement mirror as well. And like I said, yeah, remember to always create a beautiful life to live well. You always want your personal space to be one comforting and inviting for you and your family. Yeah, that's all. Thanks so much. I love you guys. See you next time.